Everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to complete the 50 cat energy fish jerky in Princess Stella quest in Heartopia. So this energy fish jerky is a stamina food that restores your cat energy. But sometimes when you try to feed it, nothing happens because your cat energy is already full like this. It's still full like this. You can see it still has 100% energy. So since the game won't let you use the item, the quest gets stuck. But it's actually very simple to complete it. First, you just need to interact with your cat, and then next just play with it to drain its energy. Just tap on play, and then just keep playing with your cat about maybe 3 times until the energy is decreased. It start looking tired. Just keep playing with your cat like this. And okay, like this, after your cat energy has dropped like this, you can see it's become 46 energy, 46%. You can finally feed it with the energy fish jerky. Just tap on the feed icon, and then in here you can just checklist this energy fish jerky energy, this one, and just like that the energy will be full again like this. And then next just tap on feed and your quest will be complete. In here I already complete the quest before, so I can't show the quest on here. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.